Hi friends, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, we are going to learn how to implement a sale timer on the Shopify website. So friends, if you see currently on the product page, we have this hurry. Sales ends in and the timer we are having in hours, minutes and seconds format. So guys, similar timer we can implement on a Shopify store. To know how to implement this, watch this tutorial till the end. Also, if you are new on my channel then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new videos. So without wasting much time friends, let's start with this tutorial. Shopify by default doesn't have this functionality. Hence, you need to integrate a third-party app from Shopify App Store. For that, we need to click on apps, then we need to click on recommended apps. Over here, scroll down and click on Shopify App Store link. This is going to open Shopify App Store for us. So friends, this is the page of Shopify App Store. Over here in this search field, we need to search for sale timer and press enter. Then in the search result, you are going to get around 1068 search results. So currently till now there are 1068 product apps for sale timer. This might increase later on also in the future. So the app that we are going to install is Eva Trust Badges Sales Pop-up. Click on it. So guys, if you see this app they have given is free. So you don't have any plan. Basically a paid plan. So it's a free app. So they have also given over here price that is free. Then you also have 2066 reviews and you have 5 stars rating. So it's a well reputed app by Eva. Scroll down. They have given some information about this app like the screenshots and the description. And at the bottom, you have the rating of this app. Now let's scroll on top and click on Add App. Then you're going to get this particular screen. Over here, you're going to know what kind of information this particular app is accessing on your Shopify store, like the customer information, your store owner information, and other details on your Shopify store. We need to click on Install App. So now the app is going to get installed on your Shopify store and the progress you are going to see on the screen. So there we go guys, the app has been successfully installed and now it is getting configured. So once the app gets installed, we are going to see this particular page. It shows how are you and your store name. So since my store name is coded, I am seeing this how are you coded and welcome to Avida Bush Sales. So guys, this is the page and over here only we need to implement the countdown timer. So currently if you see the countdown timer is turned off. So first let's not activate it. We'll click on go to settings. So this will open the settings of the timer for us. Over here we need to create a new sales timer. We need to click on create button over here. So let's click on it. Now we are having different presets. So basically these are the themes basically. So depending on your requirement and the design of your website, you can select as per your requirement. So now I'll go with this particular Amsterdam. And once you select, it gets highlighted. At the right side, you can see the preview of the widget of the sale timer. If you scroll down, then you're going to see the countdown timer settings. Over here, you have date sale to and you have custom dates. So if you are having sale on the website, then you can have it like from so and so date till so and so date. You can also have a custom date. So like for 1 day and for how many hours, or custom sale in minutes, so how many minutes and how many seconds. So let's go with this custom sale day. So I'll have for 2 days, then I'll put 2 hours, and like I say 5 sale minutes. Then you have when countdown timer reaches zero, what should happen? Hide countdown block. So this particular block will be hidden. Then you have do nothing. So it will not do anything and it will wait on 00:00 only. So let's go with hide countdown block. So basically once it reaches 00:00, then it will hide this particular section for us. Then if we scroll down, then we have the content. Over here, we can change the labels. Like if you see days, hours, minutes, seconds, we can change the labels of these. So if you see, I've added one more S and you can see the preview over here. So depending on your requirement, you can change this. Like if you are living in some country where you English is not a primary language, then you can change as per your language. Then you have the header text. If you see header text, it shows hurry up, sales ends in. So I we can change this. Like I'll say Christmas sales ends in so and so time. Then you have the design settings. Over here, if you see, if I select this, then it gets little bit compact. And then if you see, select the middle one, then it stretches little out. Similar for the third option. So depending on your requirement, you can change this. Then you have the heading color. You can change the color of the heading. Let's go with red because of Christmas. Then you have the data text color. So whatever data text is shown over here, you can change the color. White looks better. And you have the background color also. It is black currently. So let's go with something yellow. Now again scroll down. You have the condition to show. So you are showing it on all products or on specific condition. The first option is going to show the this widget on all the products for you. If you select this specific condition, then you can display this particular widget on product pages, and like you need to select the which products pages you want. You need to click on browse and then select the product, or you can show on the specific collection pages. So let's go with all products. Then you have advanced settings. Over here, if you want to change the look and feel of this particular widget by changing the CSS, then you can change it. But I will not recommend you if you are not a web developer. So keep it off if you are not a web developer. Now scroll on top. Now let's click on save. This is going to save the widget for us. If you see, the settings are saved. And now it shows congrats, it's nearly finished. Over here, if you see, it shows copy widget ID. So the widget that we have created, it shows us the ID of it. So this is the ID of this particular widget. So they have written copy widget ID. Then they have said choose your page. So we need to select where we want to display this. So product page. So we need to select the product page. So click on the product page and go to theme. So this will open the. So now if you see, now our product page has been selected. Now let's click on save again. So now this particular widget will be shown on the product page. Now let's open the product page and see whether the widget is coming or not. So guys, I have opened the product page on the website, and if you see now still the timer widget is not coming. So let's find out why it is not coming. So now let's navigate back to the app inside the Shopify admin. So over here, if you see, there is widget ID. First, copy this widget ID. Then click on go to theme. So this will open Shopify theme customizer for you. Now in the theme customizer, if you see, they have opened the product page for us. And if you scroll down, then we have the apps option over here. Just click on it. And there is one more option called countdown timer V2. We need to click on this, or depending on the position. So let's insert it under product information. So I'll click on add block over here. And now I'll select this countdown timer V2. After selecting the block, we are having this particular information, the widget ID and the size. So the widget ID that we had copied previously, we need to enter it. So I'll paste the widget ID that I had copied earlier. So I've pasted this. Now you are having the size of the widget. If that is small, medium, and large. So let's go with medium only. Let me scroll down over in the preview, and you can see that guys, the widget is getting displayed. So now let's save these changes and let's open the product page on the front end of the website, and let's see whether it is appearing over there or not. So let me open the website. So guys, I have opened the website. So now let me scroll down a little bit. Wow, there we go guys. The sale timer is now getting displayed, and whatever date, hours, minutes and seconds that we had set are now getting showed over here. Also, we have the header text that is Christmas sales ends in. So guys, you can implement similar functionality on your Shopify app store for free. And I hope this video was helpful to you in learning how to do it. So guys, to get more tutorials like these, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications related to my new videos. Also, if this video was helpful to you, then please like and share this video with your friends. Till then, signing off from this video. Thank you.